5 ka.
Who?
Tawa.
Lihleza sinje
Hey yeah.
to talk shit about.
Hey yeah, ngishaye video. Hey yeah. Shaya video mnandi ka.
Yeah, man.
Kwa.
Baby, I know it's getting late. You don't call, so I'ma take my time tonight.
You also love Indaba Kabantu, so let's go to the video and watch. We are fine.
Riff shuffling and piano pulse. If let's say you adding or you removing, who would you add?
On piano pulse, here's the thing, man.
Who would you remove? Send it now. Remove. Which one?
Man, this song
we attack Sfiso. Sfiso.
You do what? You would remove me.
Who'd you put there? Who'd you put here? Who'd you put?
Rather me or Shaba.
Who do you think Charles Mo goes?
Let's remove his face. So I think abanye bethu ngabamameli ngosithanda la ndlela ne feelings zayo. Like every time as we act as if ungathi umntana every day. We think ngena nginqipha if base ngayazi but yambona kodwa ngathi umntana every day like
Between soccer players and I'm a piano artist.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi understand.
Yeah.
Is you know lapho.
Okay, it's fine. Bathi ngathi in the hood, bathi mangikhuluma ngathi mangihlala phaya ekhoneni emakhonjini.
Hayi mina ngiblow ekhoneni ngidlala Orange Farm. I live in Orange Farm now.
Okay.
Yeah,
what do you say about us there?
You show in Soembu. Nani. But you need to understand mina ngizonitshela. Kwana nale unotha. Mina ngom
we can see Romjita, which means tita inyendo different ngekho up. Let's show which means we are icons wembu. Now we can rate.
Mina ngikwamulile Sifiso. Mina ngikwamulile.
Ngikwamulile means you got money.
Ngishaye video. Ngimtshela Masimba intwana yami yangisendela. 5 ka.
Who?
Tawa.
Lihleza sinje
Hey yeah.
to talk shit about.
Hey yeah, ngishaye video. Hey yeah. Shaya video mnandi ka.
Yeah, man.
Kwa.
Hayi izinto zenza kanje. So ngicingisa ividiyo eziningi so which means kunabantu bethu abanye abantu behind abanye abantu so beqeshiwe. Hayibo. Nenzani apha?
Wait.
Yeah, man.
Uyangizwa ngithi. Yes. So sithatha awuthama ngithi.
Yeah.
Unothanga mthatha.
So why did you just do that out of the goodness of your? Why did you want money?
Yeah. Ntwana yami angishayela ivideo utshela uNotha Masimba lapho. Okay ntwana manga ngizoyishaya. Awuba ikholi ke.
Oh.
UNotha
So people are
Mamela UNotha not people. UNotha ngimcava ngithi.
Yeah.
It's just a video, not people approach me. It's just a video. Ngiphakamela angithi mina ngine confident. And when I speak people listen to me.
Yeah.
Yena. Yeah, wena no but we ended up sikhuluma ngale muva noNotha ke. Kahle uyabona sharp ngathi hayi ntwana yami uyazi hayi ukuthi siyalwa nosakhuluma ngale back seat. Notha ntwana hayi sharp hayi manje naye ke you wanna profile you I want me and you DJ Sbu to come Notha manje Notha mokucala ukuthi uzenze celebrity ngami uyamthola wanna profile you nani understand
Yeah.
so kanjalo obviously uhleza ngithi bani uyanaye ukuthi hleza ngiphiki ngase kumele ngimaphakamele ngasikhathi kusanyiwe estradeni uhleza mfethu ngesishaya Silver Tofara kamntana mina nginokumhlohla namabhaleni shaka big 4 ngiba ngihoda ngimangise ngikhulile.
Oh yeah.
So people get paid to make those videos.
Yeah. I'm not
Hey, Sifiso, I can't. Yeah, chukuchuku mawala. Mfana sefam. Yeah, wona Notha. Nawe la ngotshaka.
You can't do it mahala. I need motivation. Yeah. Who else has paid you?
I need mphakamela. Mamela, listen, no. Listen, wena umameli.
Oh, sorry.
I'm talking about.
So yonke lento i-fake like wow guys. Nidlala ngathi kanje. I hope you don't mind my head. Nidlala ngathi kanje. Thina sicinga umuntu okay I got your back kanti yonke lento ni okay. So we do the right thing. I'm out. Wow. Wow.